Okay, welcome. Yes, welcome to the six-figure studentpreneur. Like you've noticed, is hosted by EMEKA Business College, and this is the Student Income Accelerator. What we are looking forward to is to ensure that students, both secondary and tertiary institution, can use their skills, their knowledge, their talent, and whatsoever other businesses they have to earn good income. We are looking at starting with six figures, which is 100K to 999K. So in this training, I will be exposing us to truths, facts, and realities concerning earning online as a student with your smartphone. With your smartphone and the internet, you can earn good money online. So that's what you'll be learning so much in this training. Once again, I welcome you all. Okay, let's get into the nitty-gritty of the training. First, I would like to tell you that the foundation to earning six-figure online, like I said, six-figure is 100K to 999K. Once it's 1 million, it enters seven figures. So the foundation to learning it is, number one, believe it is possible. Not just believing it is possible for you, for people, because you have a whole lot of testimonies, a whole lot of people telling you that they've made so amount, but also believe that it's possible for you to earn such amount. That is one of the things you need to do. Believe it is possible for you to earn such amount. If you don't believe it's possible for you to earn it, you will struggle to earn it, even though the possibilities are there. One of the good things the internet has done is it has opened opportunities. It has created profit points from every form of career. Like one of the posts I posted on Facebook, I said, when I was young, there were only four powerful careers, four honorable careers. If you are not a lawyer, you'll be a doctor. If you are not a doctor, you'll be an engineer. If you are not an engineer, you are either in the mass communication industry or you are doing office work. If you are not doing any of these four, every other business was looked down upon, like you're not in a very lucrative business. Then we don't even think of agriculture as a viable source of income. We don't think of every other part. But today, we've discovered that there are other businesses, even within those businesses. Like there's the flying doctor, there's someone like Aproko doctor now. He's a doctor, but his business is more, his influence is very, very high because he's using Twitter as a source of education and so on and so forth. So you can see that the internet has broken the rules of business. It has opened more opportunities for businesses, even in every career path. Also, the internet has broken the barrier of location. If you want to really earn six figure as a student, you need to remove the barrier of trying to offer your knowledge, your skill, your business, or anything just to Nigerian audience. This is gone are those days where you are actually in the business of, it's only those around me that will patronize my business. No, now you can sell to anybody in any country in the world. As long as you deliver, you can earn in their currency. Of course, we know that the general universal currency is dollars, and when you look at it in a sense, it's easier for you to even make six figures when you are earning in dollars than when you are earning in naira, because I discovered that there are some charges that when you charge yourself in naira, it will look big, but when you charge a foreigner in dollars, it will look cheap. let me give an example. I do Facebook ads. If I tell a Nigerian that my service charge apart from their budget is 50,000 naira, they can be like, why should I pay you 50,000? But I can take that same amount and say, okay, I want to charge a US person or someone in Europe, I want to charge them $100. And they're like, okay, that's fair. That's fair. Why? But I'm still earning the same 50,000 naira. So like I said, one of the things you need to understand is believe is possible for you yourself. Yes, others have earned it. I can give you testimonials. I can tell you to go online and check people who are into different online businesses that are earning at least 100K weekly legitimately, and it's not false alert. No, it's legitimately. So with that, you understand that it is possible for you. It is possible for you. Number two, you need to also understand the internet has broken a whole lot of barriers. There are more the insignificant skills and talents are finding more prominence and giving people money. Now, before, for you to be a popular comedian, you need to be in shows like Night of a Thousand Laugh, Okay Bakasi, Pro, Pencil Unbroken, all those big shows. But today, you just need to have a TikTok account and just have funny expressions. And within few months, you're already a known, a popular comedian, which also translates to you getting adverts, payments, and all those stuff. So you see that it is no longer limited. It's no longer limited. So now, what are the 5 businesses you can do online that will make you 6 figures? What are the 5 businesses you can do online that will make you 6 figures? Now, I use the word business because a skill, talent, or knowledge, if not put into a business, will earn you money, but it will not be consistent. The point is not just to earn 100K once, 200K once, and then relax for the rest of the year. No, the point is to have a system that brings it consistently over and over and over again till you are so financially free. You can now fund your bigger dreams. You can now you can now invest in crypto, in forex, because you have the cash, the big money power. No longer are you trying to use 1,000 to get 500,000 overnight, because you have that power, you have that wealth. So what then can you do? What then can you do? What are these 5 businesses? Number one, I don't know it for those who have been online in the online space. Number one, you would have seen the affiliate marketing business. The affiliate marketing business. The affiliate marketing business is very lucrative, and why it is lucrative is because unlike traditional business, you really don't need much capital. I use the word much capital because every business requires capital. You really don't need much capital. You don't, and here is why. Number one, you don't have to have a product. You don't need to create a product, which will cost you money and time. You don't need to have inventory, which will also cost you money and time. You don't need to handle logistics. That will be handled by the person you are affiliating for. So if when you see the things that consumes money in business, you don't need to have any of that. All you just need to do is to be able to introduce the product or service to someone who will buy, and you get your commission. And um, the best thing about affiliate marketing is that most of the products, 90% of the products you'll be affiliating for are digital products. Digital products. And digital products are products that people are willing to give up money. They are willing to share. Some can even share 80% commission with you. And here is why. Digital products are products you create once and can sell 1,000,000 times, and they will still be there. If I create an ebook now, I don't need to recreate it, except I want to update the information. I don't need to recreate that ebook to be able to sell to 1,000,000 people. But if it was a physical book, the publisher will have to go back and publish again, which is another cost. Of course, yeah, I'm making money, but it's not as an ebook, which I just made once. And as I've made it once, what happens now is that I can sell it to 10 million people, 20 million people, and I don't need to spend another dime. So you see that something like this, it's easy for me to say, okay, if I can find someone that will sell it, take 90%, just be giving me 10%. It's very easy, because if someone takes 90% and sells 1 million of the book, yes, he will get 90 million, but I also get 10 million. And if I have hundreds of affiliates doing the same amount, so I will have like 1 billion, they will have 90 million. You see how big that is. So now this is why affiliates can give you 50% commission without worrying. So if you are selling a book of, let's say, 5,000 naira, and you get someone to buy it, you get 2,500 straight, and you don't need to produce, you don't need to deliver the book. Many affiliate platforms already have that set up. Those who don't have it set up use seller. There are platforms that help them. Now, when you say, okay, I want to go into affiliate marketing, go and watch Expertnia. They are a platform that has tested, that is time tested, let me use that word, because they've been here for a long run and they are still growing. Expertnia is a platform. Lenoflix is also a platform. There's this new one, Affiliate NG. That's to tell you how profitable the business is, both for the people affiliating and for the people having the platform. So you can go into that business and you can use it to raise money to invest in other business. You can use it. People are making, for instance, in Expertnia, there are people making 200K a week. They pay every Friday. So there are people who make 200K a week. There are people who make 50K a week. There are people who make some even make 500K, some make 1 million. So, but the thing with Expertnia is you have to register for a year to have access to the product you affiliate for. That is affiliate marketing. That's number one business. Number two is information marketing. Now, in affiliate marketing, you are affiliating for a digital product or a physical product. Jumia too does affiliate marketing. They'll give you an affiliate link. When they give you an affiliate link, anybody that buys through that link, you get paid. So that's to tell you can also do it for physical products. I think their percentage is 30%, which is still fair to me. So any product you sell, like if you have people that will buy phone a lot, you can just go and do that Jumia stuff and be selling phones from Jumia using your link. To them, they are buying from Jumia, but behind the scene, Jumia will give you 30% cut because they came through you. So that is affiliate marketing. So number two is information marketing. This is where your knowledge makes you money. There are things you know that you think is common knowledge, but you will be shocked that people don't know it. Today, someone met me and said, how do I create a group on WhatsApp? As simple as I think that knowledge is, it's when I explained it to her, she was thanking me like I've revealed one of the biggest secrets on the internet. There are things I even do that I see as common knowledge that when I tell people, they'll be like, you be guru. Now, what's that telling you? that there are some knowledge you possess that you feel is common, someone wants to learn. There's an experience you've gone through that someone needs guidance with. All these things can be packaged into an information product and sold. Remember, in affiliate marketing, you're selling for someone, but here you are creating your own information product. You're creating your own information product. You can create it in form of an ebook, which is the basic and most common. You can create it as an audio book, which of course is an ebook, but what they will listen to. You can also create it as an online course if there is a step-to-step way to getting certain results. So you can find out now that as this also can give you money. Like I told you, digital product once created, as long as you keep marketing, it can be sold to billions of people and will still remain. So your knowledge can be used. It doesn't even have to be your own knowledge fully. You can go and research and add. Of course, you have to give credit. You don't have to copy. There's a whole lot on that. But you can research, package it, and sell. For instance, people want to know. Let me use a popular thing that we know. Teenagers, young people like us are looking for, they are into relationships. Some are asking questions in relationships. They are buying relationship books, reading relationship blogs. If you package a knowledge on a particular problem in relationship and package it well and sell as an ebook, even though you sell it for 1,000 naira, if 100 people buys it, that is 100k straight. 100k. If it's 5,000 naira, if 20 people buy it, that's 100k. So you see that it is really, there are businesses that really makes it simple for you to earn that amount easily. Now that is on your knowledge case, that is information marketing, selling information, valuable information that will help people. You can even sell information on health, food they can eat to avoid diabetes, food diabetic patients should eat so that their insulin or so. If you have that knowledge, package it into an ebook and sell. You can even become a health consultant, one-on-one session. That is information marketing. This webinar now, what I'm doing is information marketing, even though I'm